What is going on YouTube? GKL Games here, and today we're going to be back with another video of a series of Slayers Unleashed builds. Now, I made one video of this like 3 days ago, I think, I don't know, 4 days, where I made a Hinokami Tanjiro build and tested out against bosses, try to go on PvP to see how well this build works, and it actually worked better than I expected. So today we're going to be doing another character. We're going to be doing Shinobu. Now, one of you guys requested me to do Zenitsu, and I will bring that video. I'm just waiting until I reach level 800 so I can fight, I think 800, 900, so I can fight the Zenitsu boss to be able to get his Hori and his Nichirin. Apologize for me not being like that level already, but I'm trying my best doing missions and grinding the game. But once I reach that level, I will bring the video that you guys requested of Zenitsu. Meanwhile, you guys can go ahead and request any other characters that you guys would like me to recreate and test out their builds. Now, I'm going to go more into detail of the character in this video, so stay tuned once we join the game because I'll explain way better. Now, let's customize our character. So I bought the game pass for some faces, so now our characters will look much better. We'll be putting the Shinobu face, and then we'll be using the Shinobu hair right there. And I believe this is all we need to get from over here. So now we go back and let's play. Now, I was thinking for these videos I was going to switch my Slayer mark and my clan, but eventually I'm going to run out of spins, and once I get like a good clan, I'm not going to feel like switching it. Oh, why are my graphics so low? But you know that I'm not going to do that. But if you guys want to switch your clans, whatever, to make the build more character like, you guys can go ahead and do that. Now let me turn that back, my graphics up. There you go. And what I mean by the more detailed build is because now I'm going to tell you your stats. So if you're not like maxed out stats, here's what I would. Oh, let me also turn up my thing because I didn't maximize. Let me just make sure I have all the forms for insect breathing. I do? Yeah, I do. Okay. But anyways, as I was saying, if you guys want to make a build that's more like character-like and you don't have enough stat points to max out everything, here's where I would recommend putting into. I would recommend first of all putting the most into agility, since Shinobu is the fastest Hashira. Then put more into defense, and then sword, or the opposite around. I would say put the least amount into strength if you want to make the Shinobu accurate, because we do know that Shinobu is the weakest Hashira, not being able to cut demon head off. So technically, by that logic, she is the weakest Hashira. So if you guys definitely want to make like a anime accurate, I guess, build, go for speed and then sword, defense, and then lastly strength. But I'm not going to be doing that because eventually I'm going to run out of codes for stat points, and I plan on doing a lot of characters for this series. Now, another thing that we're going to do to make this more accurate is we're going to need the insect Hori, which, where is it? Where did it go? I swear I had it. I swear I had it. What? Where'd it go? That's weird. I guess we're gonna keep it, and we're gonna be fighting the Shinobu boss to see who's the true Shinobu. Also, as you can see right here, I have like 4 different swords, so let me unequip some of them. And I do want to say that I'm quite disappointed with the love breathing sword because it's not like the whip kind of thing. So very disappointed at that. Also, I'm going to have flame. I'm not flame, sun breathing, not moves, but I will unfortunately do the extra damage because I can't like unequip sun. But let me unequip the other Nichirin blades right here. Can I unequip my own? Yeah, I can. Okay, we're gonna unequip this Nichirin, also unequip the combat because we really don't need that. And there you go. Now it's time for us to get started. So actually, I think I'm gonna switch also my bottom to purple so it matches a little bit more instead of this red one. So equip, and then equip. There you go. Just because when I move, there's like this thing in the bottom, so now it's gonna look much better. We got the Shinobu Nichirin. Fortunately, we will be doing extra sun damage because I'm pretty sure I can't unequip sun, but whatever. Let's go and test this out on the Shinobu boss. So for those who don't know the location, Shinobu boss is in Butterfly Estate right here. Also, let me just make sure I can't unequip sun. Nope, I cannot unequip sun. Well, okay, well, whatever. We'll just do it. So once you're here in Butterfly Estate, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna talk to Shinobu. I'm guessing once the Kano boss drops, she's also gonna be over here. And let's just go. I swear I had the Nichirin though. Alright, we're in Shinobu's domain and she's already doing damage to me. Okay, Shinobu, okay. And I just realized I forgot to equip my insect breathing move. So we're gonna have to dash very far away from her. So I have my time over here. So I think this should be enough time as long as we keep running away as well. Set keybind first. Set keybind second, keybind, third, keybind, four. Oh my god, keybind, four, and then I have to like click over here. Oh god, I have to unclick it and then click right here, and then I think hold thrust. Okay, there you go. Now we're good. Now we're good to go fight Shinobu and see who here is the best Shinobu. Now, come here. Thankfully, Shinobu is a boss that does not have healing moves, so she's gonna be easier to defeat than other bosses. Well, oh, I forgot to open my moves. I hate not having my moves open. Okay. Through, oh wait, she does heal, I believe, doesn't she? Oh god, come on, Shinobu, leave me alone, goddamn. Okay, there you go, Caprice. I want to heal up too. Oh my god, Shinobu gotta chill. Bro, she's getting me into combos. Hot Shrews usually won't get me into combos. Maybe because I don't know how to use insect breathing yet, but Compound Eye is that one, right? What's like oh my god, damn, I can't even see what moves they're doing because she keeps jumping side to side. Jesus Christ, this boss is annoying, god damn. Oh nah, don't you dare heal up right now. Don't you dare heal up right now. No, don't heal up. Hold on. Alright, so let's fight her. Now I'm trying to like get away. She keeps getting me into combos. It's so annoying. So boom. And then, oh, I always miss that move. That move is so hard to hit. Then we have, oh, this, the healing one. And that's the butterfly one. And then what's this one? Oh, okay, that's that. Okay. Okay, we're good. I figured out the moves now. We're good. I was just confused which one was which between the B and the V one. Caprice. Oh my god, it's so far away that I have to be able to actually land there. Oh my god, get away from me. Okay, Compound Eye is this. Oh my god. Bruh, she moved as soon as I used it. So stupid. Nectar Eye is this. Okay, so I'm healing up. And then Caprice, I missed that. Use this to hit her a bunch. And then now we can combo her. Oh my god, unless she combos me first. So annoying. Go, hit. Okay. Ooh. Compound Eye just to heal up, you know, just for fun. Bro, my menu keeps popping up. I'm not even pressing M. Caprice. Ooh, let's go. Did it hit? I don't even think it hit. Nectar Eye. Let's go. Bro, she keeps comboing me and it's so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna turn that on too. Turn that on too. Yeah, you heard me. I'm gonna turn that on too. And then we zoom with this, Compound Eye. Yeah, got her with that. What ability is about to get out of cooldown? True Flutter, there you go. I'm gonna hit her with the Caprice. Let's see if the Caprice is finally gonna hit, guys. It hit! I finally hit a hit with the Caprice. Nectar Eye just for the me. And then Compound Ding. Hit her with the butterflies too. And then, oh my god, bro. Like, she gets into combos and it's quite annoying, but she's actually quite easy to defeat though, that's the thing, so. If you're level 300 or not, but before level 300, it's almost impossible to find these bosses. I remember trying and not being able to do barely any damage to them, but now over here, this is just easy dubs. Hopefully we can get the stuff that we need. Oh my god. Nectar Eye, and then we go Caprice. Oh my god, damn. Boom, there you go. I just hit you with my M1, and then you get poison and sunburn. Like, come on, look at you. You're getting on fire, and you're getting poison damage. Just like sun breathing plus insect breathing, or sun breathing plus insect nichening is so OP, because insect nichening gives you poison damage, and the sun breathing also gives you flame damage, which stacks up over time. And look at that, you can do both damage, so you're basically doubling the amount of damage you're doing. So let me get this, and then Z. Yeah, like that. She's about to die. We're good. We literally almost have more health than her right now. Let's see. Oh my god. Breathe. Oh my god. I mean, it worked for me to run away, so I guess that was not that bad. Compound. Bro. Oh my god. V. Bro. V. Nectar Eye. Let me heal up a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, we have more health than her right now. This is so. Oh my god. About to defeat her. Stop it. Get some help. Oh my god. There you go. And then dead. And I did not get the nichening. That's so dumb. Okay. Well, whatever. That build does work. I mean, look. Insect breathing is good. I changed my mind on insect breathing because I remember when I made my tier list, I put insect breathing quite low. I changed my mind. Insect breathing is good, but Still not my playstyle, to be honest. I don't know if I'm gonna keep insect breathing. Actually, I kind of have to keep it because I kind of use all the codes, and insect is all I have left. So it's gonna take me a little bit before I do the next video of this. When the new update drops, and I use my breeding styles to switch, I will definitely be making more videos of this series. But you know, from now on, I guess I'm gonna have to keep using Shinobu until the new update drops, guys. But you know, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe because that helps the channel a lot. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace.